Hello, Sarah from the Bureau with your Anzac Day forecast. Now, much of the country is expected to have dry and settled conditions this Anzac Day, and that's thanks to this high pressure system here, south of WA, that's extending a ridge across southern parts of the country. Just noticing this trough of low pressure skirting across the southeast, and by tomorrow morning 6 a.m, it moving out into the Tasman Sea with just some remnant showers about the exposed coast of Victoria and also about western parts of Tasmania. There's also a risk of coastal showers about the northern half of New South Wales and about the coastal fringe of Queensland as well. But for the majority, clear and settled conditions that will allow the temperatures to really plummet overnight. And so it's going to be a cold start for those dawn services. Just 9 degrees for both Adelaide and Hobart, 11 degrees for Melbourne, a chilly 1 degree for Canberra, up in Sydney 14 degrees, 17 for Brisbane, and over in Perth 13 degrees. For the remainder of Anzac Day, however, that high pressure system will continue to dominate, but just noticing that the showers about the northeast New South Wales coast will start to head a little bit further inland as the day progresses, and also isolated showers and storms are possible through the southern interior of WA as well. Now, temperature-wise, well below average maximum temperatures for tomorrow in the mid to high teens across the southeast, but getting warmer the further north and the further west that we go. Now, for those of you that are lucky enough to have an extended long weekend, that high pressure system will continue to dominate, with showers continuing, however, for the east coast, and also those isolated showers and storms continuing through the southern interior of WA, but we're not expecting any significant rainfall totals with that system. And as we continue moving through the weekend, a really unchanging weather pattern. Those continuing showers about the east coast. However, it's not till Sunday that this cold front brushes across southwestern parts of WA and approaches Tasmania late on Sunday night. Temperature-wise, it's continuing to be well above average across much of the country. In the mid to high teens across the southeast, warmer in the north, 25 degrees on Friday for Brisbane. We're actually forecasting 25 degrees for Friday, Saturday and Sunday, so that's their lucky number. Warmer out in the west, 28 degrees for Perth. Very unchanging conditions, and it's not until we really get to Sunday that we start to see some warmer air being dragged over the southeast, with the maximum temperatures increasing to the low 20s. Now, if you are wanting a more detailed forecast for what's going on in your neck of the woods, then you can head to the Bureau's website, app or social media. Otherwise, we'll see you again next time. Bye for now.